chairman ka regional committee ka West Khasi Hills district ubalongru menteri ka tanat PHE haka sarkar jilla uba Renington L Tongkhar hadin ka jingwan jurib na kithain khapot haka sautarik mentau benai ula kubur ka jingsa din kitei kithain khapot haki babon kiliang habai kran bat kilar pathai khubor na kaliang uba Renington ulaong ba sngo hun haka bay day bat ki kampen roy kithain khapot haka ba hadu menta kamdon kanu ka kampen roy na kaliang ka sarkar syakite kithain kamdon ki surok ka babha kimdon ka boarding hakaba ka long ka badon kam ban penbun ya ki kampen roy ulay thu bahnen kasngi na kaliang ka regional committee jong ka West Khasi Hills kala pelong ya ka jingelang ban bishar bnia halor ka jingwan jurip ka bala deble ha ka sautarik mentau benai ha ka ba kilai keren ru bakin sapen bej biang bat ki he sarkar ka Assam banle jurip biang ya ki jaka ki badangsa hadin balakot ka le niam puja uba Renington uloong udon ka jingkerman bahakitei ki jaka ki baga regional committee na West Khasi Hills district kalala ban penbej no kumba sanpho persen ki jingpenbej yu put usam hakaba ka tei ka long ka khubor ka babha.
I'm not satisfied with development taken up so many years, and I think that was another reason this problem is still there. Had it been government before developed the border, I think it would be clear and our people will be comfortable in doing business or in doing farming in the border. But because there is no proper road communication, even electricity, proper electricity is not there. Many developmental work is still required at the border, and I think this is one of the reasons. I have spoken also several times in the assembly that it's very important to develop the border all across the border with Assam, and I have even proposed that if state of Meghalaya can make a road, good road all across the border, it will really help to determine even the border, that this side will be Meghalaya and that side will be Assam. Wow, it would be wonderful if we can do that. But anyway, now since we are already in the process of solving, we can do later on. We can make road later on also. It's okay, but we need to solve now and to decide to clearly clarify which village fall under which state. That is, we are on the job to do that now. Our land, why should we give? If there is proof that it's our land, we should not give even an inch. But that we need to prove that it's our land. So that's the thing, and we wish the situation will not arise that we'll have to give our land. The situation will not arise that Meghalaya will surrender the land to Assam. Making rules will not be misled. Otherwise, it tends to misleading people also by putting rigid, by showing people that we are not going to understand each other, or we are not going to respect each other. But in other way also, if that positively also, it's good, showing that we have the strength and we will claim our own land, our own right. It's okay. You see, whatever statement you say, if you look positively, you see positive thing. But if you look negatively, you see negative thing in it. So it's okay. Let us just that as a responsibility, we have to move on and find a solution. But people, they may not have time to think so much, and they just speak whatever they have in their mouth. So it's okay. I think we will not take it seriously, because those words, those statements will not prevent us in solving the problem. But I am hoping that the area that I'm heading as chairman, we can solve minimum 50%. I hope we'll be able to solve minimum of 50%. So that good side is there. See, the solution means it should be acceptable to both. So that is the solution. So whether, of course, we wish that people from Meghalaya should step back in Meghalaya. That is what we wanted. But that should be accepted to Assam side also.
So,
In our jurisdiction, just to review, then on the joint inspection that we have done on 4. So we had a meeting yesterday among ourselves from the Karya only to see and then to recall the procedure, the recording, because we still remember what happened there, our finding according to that inspection, according to the visit. So we just have that, and of course we also plan that if from Assam counterpart, if they can agree with us to again go for a visit within this month, we want that after Puja, we can plan again for the next visit jointly with Assam. That I'm going to speak to chairman from Assam